son who was still studying as high school student. They picked Agustin in his school. Inside the car. Mom, Dad, will you permit me if I cannot come to office tomorrow for I'm not feeling well? It's okay, Vijay. You can take the rest tomorrow. It's no problem. Unexplainable feeling registered in the face of Agustin because his parents were not able to attend in one of his school activities. I'm so sorry, Agustin. We are not able to attend the activity in our school, for we have a very important meeting. We'll make it up to you next time, okay? Originally, spare your husband. Thank you, okay? It's no longer. Jake is very tired due to the sport in the office. It seems he can no longer open his eyes while driving. Three drunk ladies.
Patay na, ladies ang ganyan.
Jenaline suddenly grabbed her cell phone and called for help.
Hello? There's an emergency at Santa Rosa Street. Please hurry, we need your help.
Yes, Mom, we will be there in a minute. After a few minutes, an ambulance came and tried to rescue one of the son, especially the man who was Yes, we're fine. Just hold up. Three ladies lying in the street. All drivers, make sure to use the proper avoiding drinking liquors while driving.
Sure. Ano yung kalisod siya?